Hi everyone, welcome back to Amaze Math. Thank you for clicking on this video. To the new viewers, consider subscribing. Thank you also for the returning viewers. And today's topic will be factorizing quadratics using a grid. So I'll explain, and if you understand the concept, you can pause the video and try it by yourself. So get a notebook, get a pen, and let's dive into it. This method is suitable for harder quadratics where a is not equal to 1 or where a is greater than 1. In the previous videos, we looked at using a grid to expand the brackets. So now we are doing the reverse. We're using a grid to factorize the quadratic. So, and also by the way, this is the third method we are looking at on factorizing quadratics. The first one we did was by inspection, then we have done by grouping, and now the third one is by using a grid. So you can watch the other videos after this one. Once you draw your grid, now we're going to do the product sum of 2 and 2. So the product is AC equals to 4. 2 times 2 is 4, and B equals to 5. So we find two factors that will replace this one. So two factors of 4 are 4 and 1. 4 plus 1 equals to 5. So instead of the 5x, you're going to write these two. And so we're going to write 2x squared plus 4x plus 1, or just x plus 2. So these four terms, you're going to put them inside here. So here we have 2x squared, then we have 4x, then we have x, and then 2. So here we know we are multiplying, so we need to find the numbers to fit in there. So here definitely we're going to start with x, and then this side will be, so x divided by this will be 2x. So you can test it out. 2x times x is 2x squared, so that's okay. Then here we have x divided by x will be 1, so 1 goes there. Then here we will remain with what? So 2x times something will give us 4x, or 4x divided by 2x is just 2. So 2 times 2x is 4x, and then 2 times 1 is 2. Let's check again. 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times 2 is 4x. 1 times x is x. 1 times 2 is 2. So these two are our answer. So these two, we put them in one bracket. 2x plus 1, and these two, x plus 2. Number 2, we're going to replace that one. So AC is 3 times 6 is 18. My bad. And then B equals to negative 11. Two factors of 18 that will give us a sum of negative 11 will be 9 and 2. And both of them will be minus. Negative 9 plus negative 2 would be negative 11. So the new quadratic would be 3x squared negative 9x negative 2x plus 6. So we have replaced this one with these two. Now we go ahead and put these values in this grid. So we have 3x squared negative 9x negative 2x and positive 6. Now we look for the numbers that they multiplied. So 3x, I can start with the x here. So 3x squared divided by x would be 3x. Then now we do negative 9x divided by 3x will be negative 9 divided by 3 is negative 3, and then x divided by x is 1. Now on this side would be negative 2x divided by x will be negative 2, and then already we have that one. So negative 2 times negative 3 is positive 6. Now let's check again. 3x times x is 3x squared. 3x times negative 3 is negative 9x, and then negative 2 times x is negative 2x, and negative 2 times negative 3 is positive 6. Therefore these two will be our factors. So 3x minus 2 and x minus 3. Are you enjoying the method so far? If you are, pause it and then let's try it together without checking. So we're going to replace that one. So AC equals 2 times 12 is 24, and B equals to 11. So 2 factors of 24 would be 8 and 3. 8 plus 3 is 11. So we rewrite that quadratic, 2x squared plus 8x plus 3x plus 12. Now we come and write that one here. So 2x squared, 8x, 3x, and 12. Now it's time to find the factors. So 2x, here it's good to start with an x. Okay, so 2x squared divided by x would be 2x, and then 8x divided by 2x would be 4. 3x divided by x would be 3, and 3 times 4 is 12. So that is correct. So 2x plus 3 and x plus 4. Let's check it out. 2x times x is 2x squared, 2x times 4 is 8x, 3 times x is 3x, 3 times 4 is 12. Number 4, replace that one. AC equals to 4 times negative 5 is negative 20. B equals to negative 19. 2 factors of 20 will be 20 and 1. To make it a negative 19, make the bigger number a minus. So replace negative 19 with these 2. So 4x squared minus 20x plus x because of 1 minus 5. Then you write this one in the grid. So 4x squared negative 20 x, oh that one is not fitting, and then you have x and negative 5. We go ahead and do times. So what are the numbers? So always start with x. You can always start with x over there, and then you fill in the number as needed. So let's see. So 4x squared divided by x would be 4x, and 4x times x is 4x squared. Now x divided by x is 1, and 4x negative 20x divided by 4 would be negative 5, and then x divided by x is 1. So let's see if this one works. So 4x times x is 4x squared, 4x times negative 5 is negative 20x, 1 times x is x, 1 times negative 5 is negative 5. So we're on the right path. Now we write these 2 factors, 4x plus 1 and x minus 5. Number 5, let's replace that one. So AC equals to 3 times 10, 30, and B equals to 17. 2 factors of 30 and 17 will be 15 and 2. Add them, you get 17. So replace the 17x with these 2. So we write 3x squared plus 15x plus 2 plus 10. 2x, I mean. So here we are multiplying. So 3x squared and 15x, 2x and 10. Let's find the factors. So here we put x. 3x squared divided by x would be 3x. And then 15x divided by 3x would be 5. 2x divided by x would be 2. And 2 times 5 is 10. So that's correct. So the answer would be 3x plus 2 and x plus 5. So 3x times x is 3x squared, 3x times 5 is 15x, 2 times x is 2x, 2 times 5 is 10. Perfect. Number 6, time to replace 3b. AC 2 times negative 9, negative 18, b equals to positive 3. 2 factors of 6 and 3. Make the smaller one a negative to give you 3 and negative 18. So we rewrite the quadratic, 2b squared plus 6b minus 3b minus 9. Okay, so we write this one. So 2b squared, 6b minus 3b and negative 9. So these two we are multiplying the 2 factors. Let's find those 2 factors. So 2b, we can start with b there. So 2b squared divided by b would be 2b. 6b divided by 2b is 3. Negative 3b divided by b is negative 3. and negative 9 divided by 3 is negative 3. So that one is good. So 2b minus 3 and b plus 3. Let's check it out. 2b times b is 2b squared, negative 3 times b is negative 3b, 2b times 3 is 6b, negative 3 times 3 is negative 9. Bellissimo. Perfect. Number 7, let's replace the negative x. So a c would be 2 times negative 1 is negative 2 and b equals to negative 1. So 2 factors of negative 2 that will give us a sum of negative 1 would be 2 and 1. And then you make the big number a minus. So negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. So rewrite this one again. We have 2x squared minus 2x plus x minus 1. Then you write these ones here. So 2x squared minus 2x, x and negative 1. Let's find the factors, the two factors. So here it's times. So we start with an x there. 2x squared divided by x is 2x. X divided by x is 1. Negative 2x divided by 2x is negative 1. Let's check. 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times negative 1 is negative 2x. 1 times x is x. 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. So that's okay. So x minus 1, this 2 and this 2. 2x plus 1. Alright, so let's replace that one. So AC is 5 times negative 12, that is negative 60. B equals to 11, 2 factors of 60 would be 15 and 4, 60 will give us 60. To make it positive 11, we make the small number a negative. So the new quadratic would be 5x squared plus 15x minus 4x minus 12. So 5x squared, 15x, negative 4x and negative 12. So multiply. Let's find the factors. Here we write x. So 5x squared divided by x will be 5x. So 15x divided by 5x will be 3. Negative 4x divided by x will be negative 4. Let's check. 5x times x is 5x squared. 5x times 3 is 15x. Negative 4 times x is negative 4x. Negative 4 times 3 is negative 12. So x plus 3 and 5x minus 4. And that marks the end of our lesson today. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Bye.
Goodbye. Thank you.